Hey guys, this is Maria from shorysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make rainbow text on Instagram. If you want to make your Instagram stories to stand out from a crowd of other attractive content, then while making your story add text in a rainbow color. Follow these steps and you'll find out how you can do it. Go to Instagram Home tab, swipe right or click on the Your Story icon at the top of your screen. Once the camera window opens, take a photo or record a video, or you can upload a visual from your camera roll. After that, tap the text icon at the top. Type in your text. Select all of the text and press the purple color. Now actually the difficult part comes. With one finger you need to drag the text cursor to the left, while with the other finger you need to slide through the color palette. Do it letter by letter, selecting a different color for each letter. That's it! As you see, you made a rainbow effect. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make rainbow text on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at shorysocial.com.